In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Now choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then click Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or if you are connecting to another smartphone or to a tablet, connect it manually on the second device. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, if you wish to connect to your paired device right now, click on it on the left. If you want to manage some other options, you can click on gear icon right next to it on the right and check out all of those. You can manage those two switches, change name of your paired device, connect to it from here or forget it. If you decided to tap on forget, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always reconnect to it the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!